A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to integrals, application of integrals, which are most important questions that are coming in your examination point of view. So see, this question is most important related to your syllabus. Now see, now question is, if the line y is equal to mx, y is equal to mx, bisect the area enclosed by the lines enclosed by the lines. Line equation is given, that is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 by 2, and the curve y is equal to 1 plus 4x square minus x, 4x minus x square. Then find m is equal to. So in this question we have to find out the values of m. So first of all, I will see the equation or question. If the line y is equal to mx bisect the area enclosed by the lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 by 2, and y is equal to 1 plus y is equal to 1 plus 4x minus x square. So first of all we have to draw the figure. So which type of figure we will get? See, the solution. First of all, I am going to draw the axis. This is our axis. X axis, y axis, this is origin, coordinate 0, 0, and the line y is equal to mx passing through origin. Since the line y is equal to mx, passing through origin. Now what we can say? How we can draw this graph? This is the line y is equal to mx. Now the line y is equal to 1 plus 4x minus x square. When you will draw on graph, when you will put x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 1. So this curve is parabolic, or y is equal to x square format. This is, and this one, when you will draw on graph, you will get this type of curve. And this is the equation of y is equal to x square, means y square is equal to 4ax is right hand parabola. So y is equal to 1 plus 4x plus minus x square. When you will draw, you will get this type of parabola or this type of curve. This type of curve you will get. Here this is the intersection of line and curve, and now y is equal to 1 plus 4x minus x square. This is our curve equation. Now you know x is equal to 0 is the line, y axis, this is the line x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 3 by 2. You can suppose x is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2. This shape will be above, and x is equal to 3 by 2. You can suppose this is the line, x is equal to 3 by 2. Because this line is intersect or not, we have not given information. So this is x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 by 2, and this is the line y is equal to 0, and this is the curve. We have to find out this area. This area we have to calculate. So this area we have to calculate. Now we have to integrate the function y is equal to 1 plus 4x minus x square from 0 to 3 by 2, and then we have to subtract. Then we have to subtract this part, and in this question this is given, the line divides the area or 0 to 3 by 2 mx. It means if it will divide, so from 0 to 3 by 2 area, what we can write? Since the line divides the line, y is equal to mx, is divide the area into two equal regions. This is given. The line bisect the area. This is bisect. So line y is equal to mx bisect the area. So integration from question or from figure, we can write integration over 0 to 3 by 2. Integration over 0 to 3 by 2, we have to integrate this curve, and this curve equation is y is equal to 1 plus 4x minus x square. This is the curve, and we are going to integrate. So this area, this triangle area will be included in this region. Now this region is the double of the area of this region, y is equal to mx from 0 to 3 by 2. So according to question, this statement will be here. Now we can integrate this part easily. So integration of 1 dx result is x plus 4x result is 4 times x square by 2, its integration, and now minus x cube by 3, whole bracket 0 to 3 by 2, and this integration result will be 2 times m. 2 times m means 2 times m with the integration over x dx, result is x square by 2, 0 to 3 by 2. Now we are going to put upper limit. So when you will put upper limit, you will see result will be 3 by 2 and plus 3 by 2 means 9 by 4. So 4 will cancel out. So result will be 9 by 2 and now minus 27 by 8 3s are 24 means 27 by 24 means you can write 27 by 24 means 4 is 12. This result is 3 by 2. So 27 by 8 and 27 by 8 means 9 by 8 3 is 24. So result will be 9 by 8. See, you will see this value and now this result will be equal to x cube by x square by 2 and the value of x is 3 by 2. So 9 by 4 will be here. 2 is cancel out. So m in bracket 9 by 4. Now we have to simplify these statements. So when you will simplify, LCM will be 8. Now calculation will be 4 3s are 12 and now 4 9s are 36 and now minus 9 is equal to 9m by 4. So this will be cancelled out from table of 4 and this will be 27 plus 12, 27 to 29, result will be 39. So 39 will be here. So result is 39 is equal to 9m. This implies m is equal to 39 by 9. From the table of 3, this will cancel out. 39 by 9 to the 18. So from the table of 3, this will cancel out and the result will be m is equal to 13 by 6. So answer is m is equal to 13 by 6. Now this is completed. Now question is the area bounded by y-axis, y is equal to cos x, y is equal to sin x and x is greater equal to 0 and less than equal to pi by 2. So this is our question and we have to calculate area. So this is the function of cos x, y is equal to cos of x and you know this is pi by 2. This is pi by 2 and this is x is equal to 0 and this is x is equal to minus pi by 2. So now from x is equal to 0 to pi by 2 of sin x, this is y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x. Now this is the point where sin x and cos x are equal, that is pi by 4. this is x is equal to pi by 4. Now we have to calculate this area. This is x axis, this is y axis, this is origin, now see the solution. First of all, I will integrate from 0 to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 4 to the function sin x. Or if we integrate from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 4 sin x minus cos x, or cos x minus sin x, this result is cos x and this result is a curve is sin x. Now see how we can calculate its area. Between y axis, this area we have to find. Because this is given y axis, this area we have to find. So area bounded by the curve from y is equal to y axis, consider y axis, y is equal to cos of x, y is equal to sin of x, between x is greater than 0 and less than equal to pi by 2. This area, and that is area we can write integration over from 0 to pi by 4. This is cos x area minus sin x area, and with plus sign from pi by 4 to pi by 2, from pi by 4 to pi by 2, sin x minus cos x dx. This is also dx. Now its integration result will be cos x integration result is sin x, you know. So sin x minus sin x integration is minus cos x. So result will be sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x from 0 to pi by 4. From sin x again you will integrate, so result you will get minus cos x, and this is minus sin x. So minus cos x minus sin x pi by 2 pi by 4. So after putting the limits, what you will get the value? When you will put upper limit, you will get pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus 0. Now again, so when you will put x is equal to 0, so sin 0 and cos 0 result is 1. So this will be minus 1. Again, cos pi by 2 result 0, minus sin pi by 2, this is minus 1, and minus sin cos pi by 4 means plus 1 by root 2. This is also pi by 4 means 1 by root 2, not pi by 4. This is 1 by root 2 and plus this is also 1 by root 2. Now 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, result is root 2 minus 1, and now this result is root 2 minus 1. So this one we can write root 2 minus 1 plus root 2 minus 1, 2 times root 2 minus 1. So 2 times root 2 minus 1 is the area. 2 times root 2 minus 1 is the area. But we have to find out if suppose in this question if it is mentioned, we have to find out the area bounded by the region from 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 means from here, so x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 4. So this area will be half and result will be root 2 minus 1. C. Now this question is totally completed. Now again see, in this question this was given the domain of curve lies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 2. Means we have to see the area from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 2. There is a point x is equal to pi by 2. And suppose in this question if it is given, we have to find out the areas between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 4. So we have to take only this region area. And now this figure is symmetric about this line x is equal to y by 4, pi by 4. So this area will be half of that area, and this function we have minus y because this is the curve of cos x and this is the curve of sin x. So when you will integrate from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 4, this whole area will be included, and we have to subtract this area. So from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 4, you will integrate this area and then subtract. So we have subtract. Now similar process, this area means from x is equal to pi by 4 to x is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 4 to x is equal to pi by 2. This is x is equal to pi by 2, and x is equal to pi by 2 means from x is equal to pi by 4 to pi by 2. We have to integrate sine, this is sine. So this is sine area. So sine area will be here from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 4 to x is equal to pi by 2, this whole area, and this area will be included in this region. So we have to subtract this area. So minus 0 to pi by 4 or pi by 4 to pi by 2 to pi by 4 to pi by 2 area of cos of x. Now pi by 4 to pi by 2, we have integrate this region sin x minus cos x, and we'll get this type of integration. And integration is so easy, you know. This is so important to understand. You have to draw the graph. How you will draw the graph, how will draw the curve. If you are able to draw the graph, then you can easily find out its area. Otherwise you can't find out. So to understand this chapter, application of integral, first of all we have to trace, or we have to know how to trace the curve. What is the curve of sin x? What is the curve of cos of x? So there are so many curves you can find out its area also.